Hey y'all, it's Mikey. Welcome to the farm. Today, I am going to try my hand at milkmaid. Loretta. She said, what in the world is going on in here? You ready to be milked, girl? You gonna let me try? Will you be a good girl for me? Baby is hiding behind mama. She is engorged, y'all, on this side. That baby is favoring one side. Poor girl. It has been 3 days now since baby goat girl was born, and she has had all the colostrum that she's gonna get, and I am going to try my hand at milking Loretta. So at least help relieve her on this one side. That is awful. I know that has to hurt. So y'all wish me luck. This is gonna be interesting. Y'all, baby is doing so good. Look at that little thing. You gonna be good while I try to milk you? You gonna be a good girl? Loretta is the lucky one out of the bunch. Poor thing. I chose her as my learning goat. Learn how to milk on, because she's so calm, and I just feel like she would be a good goat for a beginner that's learning to milk. I hope I'm right on this decision with her, but just her demeanor is very calm. She's very loving and just a really sweet girl. So my thought is she'll be patient with me. You gonna be patient with me? You be patient with me? I hope so. Loretta, you checking out the milk stand? She said, yeah. So hubby has got it all completed for me, and we're going to try to put this to some use. The only thing, y'all, that I think I'm going to get hubby to change on here, this has been sitting up in the barn for several weeks now, waiting for Loretta to have that little kid over there. But I've noticed that he has screwed this feeder into the board back here, and I am going to get him to take the screws out of that, because this barn gets dusty. And I like to keep my food trays and water buckets and things like that clean for all these critters around here. And y'all can see, look at that. And it's, like I said, it's been sitting up in here. He brought it up here and finished it off. I'm hoping that this is going to be wide enough for Loretta's neck. We're going to have to try that out. So, y'all, today's the first day trying this out, and to see if all his measurements and everything that he's done here is going to suit Loretta getting up here to be to be milked. But he's even got the latch on up here, y'all. Yep, latch is good. So he did a really good job with this. I'm telling you, he is just ingenuitive. And I can usually, if I see something and say, hey, I like that, and if it's something that is buildable, he can usually come up with a pretty good idea of how to make one instead of spending all that money. And all this was just used from leftover lumber that we had laying around here. I wanted to show y'all really quick. This is the side here that little one back there is favoring. And this poor girl, she's about lopsided. She's sniffing. You sniffing the camera? And look at this side over here. Look at that. You poor girl. I know that's got to not be comfortable. No, that can't be comfortable. So I was gonna try to see if I can get right here so y'all can see. Look how lopsided this baby is. She is lopsided. And if y'all hear all that noise, the dogs are barking. Bill's on his way back up here, but it is windy today too, so. Them little long floppy ears. So hubby's back up here now. Give Loretta some feed, and y'all, we are gonna see how well this goes. She said, oh, food.
Maybe a little difficult.
Might be. She's pretty good though. She's a good goat.
Yeah.
She's just calm. Good girl. Come on, Loretta. Come on. She said, what am I supposed to do?
Is that what she's saying too?
She said, this is the first time for me too. She said, you can't expect me to just know what to do right off the bat.
Oh. Oh.
No, stay. Look, girl. Look, he's feeding. Loretta, look. Come on. Come on, look. There you go, girl. That is a good girl. Oh, wow. It fits perfect.
Yep.
Good job. Good job, Loretta. Good girl. So we've given her some sweet feed, and he's out of breath. He's been wrestling a goat. But I need to get over here before she finishes.
Yes.
Really quick. So I'm going to hand you the camera and get set up here and hopefully be able to do this.
Sounds like a plan.
She's like, what are you doing to me? Come on. You're all right. See, she is so, I feel so sorry for her.
Yeah.
That little baby is literally favoring this one side over here.
Yeah.
And she is so engorged on that side. That has to be uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So that is why I wanted to get out here, because it's been 3 days since that baby was born.
Yeah.
So, yeah, girl. I know. I'm new at this.
It's okay.
It's okay, girl.
Eat your sweet pea. She'll get used to it.
Yeah, and I'm sure over a period of time I'll get quicker with it too. So, okay. I'm sure that hurts.
She's like, what you got now?
You're all right. Oh, goodness. You're okay. You're okay.
How'd she do that?
You didn't latch it, should
I did latch it.
Looking back at the video, you can see that the latch was secured. However, Loretta moving around a lot, it did loosen it, and that's how it came open. But we are going to try this again. Okay, so I want to get the top part of her udder, on the top part of her teat, in between my thumb and my finger. And y'all, I've been watching a bunch of videos trying to do this, figure out, learning how to do this. So I'm gonna work my fingers down, but I need to try to get a couple squirts out. There's milk. Oh my goodness. You tell me you can't learn something off of YouTube. Are you kidding? All right, let's see. Oh, this one's gonna be, because she's so big. That one, I can't even hardly get my fingers around it. Poor baby. Okay, woo. Really? Look. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. Oh my God, it works. It works, girl. Okay, let's see if we can get this going. Okay, come on. Hopefully she won't knock my butt. I can't reach her. I might just have to do it standing up. Okay. She is worse from the side. Oh, don't knock the thing. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Look at that. That's a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I can get to her now. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Oh, no, right, it's milk. Okay, so y'all, I sent hubby down to rinse out my pot really, really quick. We're gonna try this again because I'm excited to see what goat milk tastes like. And y'all, I can't have dirty milk where she stepped in it. But hubby's gonna try to figure out what to do. Maybe to tie, you know, brace her feet so when I'm here by myself, I can milk her with no problem and her stepping in the pan, knocking it over, or anything like that. So I will definitely have to show him what I'm talking about so he can definitely go from there and figure out what to do to get this problem straightened out. So I hope y'all can see from under that spot. Oh, she's doing so good. Mm-hmm. You're okay, you're okay. You're being such a good girl, Loretta. Hold on, hold on. Try not to hurt you. Hold on, girl. You're okay. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. Have you ever milked?
Mm-mm.
You want to try it?
No.
You don't want to try it? Come try it. It's actually easy.
Nah, I'm good.
Come try it.
I'm holding these feet to keep her from kicking my teeth out.
I'm just a little slow at it.
How much you gonna get out of it?
I don't know, but she is.
I don't know how much.
Oops. All right, Loretta, hold on.
I think this.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
It's a lot of milk out of one side.
Mm-hmm. Even now. She was lopsided, you could tell from the back.
Yeah, that's
now,
what I
now she's even.
Mm-hmm. That had to hurt. We getting it there, girl. Sometimes I feel like I'm starting at the bottom, kind of whenever I'm squeezing,
Yeah.
and you're supposed to work down.
You'll get that rhythm.
Yeah. See, like I gotta keep trying to remember, like
Top to bottom, top to bottom.
top to bottom.
No, I did milk a cow one time on a farm. We went somewhere to a farm. I got to milk a cow.
You got to milk a cow one time.
I was like 8, 9, 10 years old or something.
I've never had that experience. I guess doing a lot of research and watching to see how people do it.
Yeah. It makes you feel a little more confident.
Yeah, and I'm sure that there's some things that I could do better.
She's calmed down a lot. She ain't trying to kick my teeth out anymore.
She's probably feeling better. I'm like, okay, when's the milk gonna end? But they say to milk it until it's empty. And I don't think I can really get I can't get nothing out of that. Ah, there we go. Come on. Oh, this side's so small.
Yeah.
Mm.
They told them that. He's like, what are y'all doing?
I can't get this side.
It's alright.
There we go.
Well,
Okay. There we go. I'm just gonna have to do this side different. Oh, Loretta, sorry. You're okay, girl. Y'all would think we live on a farm or something. The roosters always got something to crow about.
yeah.
I'm gonna have to learn how to hit the pot better. I think I'm squirting our viewers. Oh my goodness. Hold on, girl. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I think we're good.
Okay.
All right, let me get something to clean her up.
You sit it over there on the straw.
Y'all look at all that milk. That is a lot of milk. Okay, y'all. Hubby and I have gone to 3 different places over the weekend to try to find some teat spray. Nobody carries it. So I am going to wipe her down with a little bit of antiseptic on a wet rag for right now until we can get the other stuff. Yeah.
She seemed to calm down a lot.
Yes, she did. I just want to take a dry rag and wipe it off and make sure there wasn't any whole lot of excess on there when the baby goes to milk. But I think she's going to be okay. She's nice and clean. But we definitely need to get the teat spray. I think that'll be easier too. So, Loretta, girl, oh my goodness, you did so good. You did so. You was patient with me. Yes, you was. I love you. I love my Loretta. You gave me a bunch of milk. You did. Are you ready to get out? Thank you for being patient with me. Yeah, you were so patient. You let me learn to milk. Huh? Yeah. I promise I'll get better and faster. We just gotta work together, don't we, girl? Us girls have to stick together, don't we? Yeah, we just gotta stick together. Yeah. All right, baby.
I just leave her up there and let her eat and get used to it.
Just she can come out whenever she's ready.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm gonna try, because she's still got stuff. All that stuff is stuck on her. It's on her tail. She's probably gonna kick me now. I've been trying to get it pulled off when it's hanging down.
Yeah.
But there's a little bit stuck right here at the top. I'm sure that's gotta be irritating. Oh. And that might have to work itself out.
Yeah.
Right there, because it's, yeah, girl. You was such a good girl.
Little one's over here being very patient. Just sitting in the corner.
Kids don't like water. Loretta, if you only knew what I was doing. Waiting, she said, what in the world? I feel something wet back there. She said, goats don't like baths. Goats don't like baths. Yeah, I might have to just kind of work with that a little bit.
Yeah, every time you come
Just
out.
as it gets looser.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby. All right. Okay.
All right.
Good job, girl.
Let me give her the rest of her feed so she can eat it up there. It's down
All
there.
right. Yeah, we'll stick all this stuff in here. I'll have to wash that.
All right.
And I guess leave my antiseptic, and I'm gonna leave these little cotton things down here
Yeah.
for right now too. Let me put these up real quick.
Yeah.
It'll be good to have down here anyway.
Yeah.
In case we need them for something. Step out. Loretta got some nice clean water, girl. Got you some nice clean water.
I'm proud of you.
Well, thank you. We'll touch and go for a little bit. But I was looking in my milk, and you know, we had the mishap of Loretta stepping in the bucket. So we'll have to try to fix that. And then there is a lot of hair in the milk, and I know that'll come out once I strain it, which that'll be good. But I got to get it strained, and I'm gonna have to look it back up again, but definitely stick it in the freezer, I think, first for just a few minutes, just to, I don't know, I might be wrong on that, but I know it'll be stored in the refrigerator. But it seems like I saw somewhere they stuck it in the freezer for just a few minutes.
Like 15,
just to
20 minutes.
chill it,
Yeah.
to kill any bacteria in it. I'm gonna have to, y'all, my brain is on overload between trying to figure out garden seeds and garden and companion planting and when to plant and what not to plant and where to plant.
And the fact we drove back.
Alkaline, acidity, like what's good where, what's not good where.
Yeah, well, the fact that we drove 60-something plus miles trying to find teat spray.
Yes, we did. Mm-hmm.
And still couldn't find it.
Yeah,
So.
and then we were gone. Just errands. Yes, errands. Always. There's always something on the farm. But look at this.
She's got some pretty markings on her.
You're so good. You're so cuddly. Oh my goodness, Loretta, you can come out, girl. She doesn't know how to get out. Come here. Come here. You can get out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Listen at me. I'm calling it like a dog. Come on. You're okay. You can put your head back through. You're not stuck like you are in the fence. Come on. Stick your head down. This is like her getting stuck in the fence again. Come on. Go on back. She's pushing forward. Go. She's pushing it up against me. She's pushing at me. What? I'm not. You trying to push me back? I'm trying to push you out. You can get out. You're not stuck. Come on. Come on. Loretta. You must not really want to get out bad enough. You can get out. What do you think? You just trying to call the baby over here? You just gonna stay over here? You stay here for me for tomorrow. Just be here already. She's gonna stay here. She said, come on, baby.
All right, y'all, let me get over here and see if I can help her get Loretta out. Either she likes it or she just, I don't know.
I think she thinks she's stuck. But she's like, come on, baby. Come on up here. I'm noticing, too, I'm going to need to get something to wash this milk off. Because all that's going to do is start drying. And we're fixing to get warmer temperatures, and that is going to create...
flies and
yes.
ants.
Yes. So, we're going to have to figure that out. Yes, we are. And she said, well, dang, if you would hit the bucket, we wouldn't have that problem. Yeah. And baby's like, Mama, you grew taller. She said, what are you doing up there? Yeah, so y'all see on the back of her leg, and Mama will get this cleaned up. I don't know if hubby can zoom in a little bit, but that's a good sign, y'all. The poo is yellow. So this baby has had some colostrum. Yeah, it got its colostrum from Mama. And that's very important within the first 24 hours. So, and like I said, it's been 3 days. So I want to start getting on a schedule now. I wanted to give a couple of days for the baby to start milking really good, get what it needed out before I came up here and started trying to get on a schedule of milking her. So I don't know if I'm going to try to do either 1 or 2 times a day yet. So I'm just going to kind of play it by ear and go from there. But again, I'm going to get this milk down and get it strained and in the fridge. I'm actually really excited to try it. All right. Come on, Loretta. Let's see. Come on, girl. You can get out. Come on. Come on. There you go. Shut the gate. All right. See, that wasn't so bad. You're out. You're free. She did good.
Mm-hmm. Yes, she did.
She said, oh. All right, so let's watch baby for a second. Because I didn't completely drain her. There was still milk coming out. And the baby's getting milk, so. But y'all see that? The baby's faring on this side over here. Maybe it'll start milking a little bit on the other side now, too.
She's being a good mama, y'all.
She is. So we're going to try raw goat milk and see what it's like. I have never had it before. I ended up with a little over a quart of Loretta's milk, and this little bit left over here that y'all can see, I'm just going to give that to the pigs, and they'll enjoy that too, I'm sure. Wow, what an amazing day this has been. All right, y'all, the milk has been in the freezer for an hour. I just pulled it out, And I told y'all, I am anxious to try this and see how I like goat milk. Because I normally don't drink milk. I use it in my coffee or cereal and to cook with. That's about it. So we're going to try this. And I got Huppy in here. Got his 2 little jars. And pour a little bit in here and see how we like it. Oh, you're the official taste tester.
Oh, thank you. That's actually good. It tastes a little bit like it's got like butter in it or something.
Really?
Yeah, it's got a real sweet taste to it.
So is it better than
Much better than cow milk.
grocery store milk?
Definitely. Definitely is. Very sweet. I bet that would make some good cakes or pancakes or something like that.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Really good.
I'm gonna give it a go. Okay. That is good. That is good.
It's got like a hint of butter taste to it. It's kind of like he just melted some margarine on top. It's got a film or something.
Maybe that's why I never drink milk. But I might start drinking milk now. Yeah, it does have, it's like a creamy taste.
Mm-hmm.
Loretta produced some good milk.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does. It's almost kind of like a glass of maybe half and half or something. This sweet.
Yeah, but it's not, I mean, it's drinkable. It's not like half and half. You can't really just chug it down like milk. But I don't know. I guess you could if you wanted to, but.
It is really good, though.
That's amazing because you know I don't drink milk.
Y'all, what she was saying when she puts milk in her cereal, she eats the cereal and then gives the milk in the bowl to Tucker.
But just a little bit of milk, just enough to kind of dampen it a little bit. I don't like my cereal soggy, but seriously, this is really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is.
Because if this was store-bought milk, I would not be sitting here drinking it.
No. Be good in coffee, too.
Yeah, definitely. All right. I would say today was a pretty productive day on the farm.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. And I'm very proud of you. You did really good today.
Thank you.
So what'd you think?
I'm proud of myself.
So what'd you think of your first time milking?
It was actually fun. I think I'm going to enjoy doing that. I think that's going to be almost kind of like my grass cutting.
Yeah.
You just get on the lawnmower and you shut everything out and you're focused. And I think that's going to be a good time to just go and have my time with Loretta.
Yeah.
And get some good milk from her.
Yeah.
And just Mikey time.
I was really amazed at how quick you got her to milk, though. That was.
I know, me too. I couldn't believe
I
that.
was figuring we was gonna be there for 30 minutes, even trying.
Trying.
Yeah.
So, but the trick, like they say, the trick is to start right under the udder, in between your finger and your thumb, and work your way down. So, and I've got to do better on that because I'm noticing that I'm kind of like just squeezing.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't want to like tug
on
the teat from what I understand, but you want to work your fingers in a downward motion down the teat on either your cow or your goat.
Yeah. I guess
milking.
I don't milk, so I guess it'd be like top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom.
Right. So I've got to get my fingers to kind of get used to that rhythm.
Yeah.
And maybe get quicker with it, which I'm sure, just like with anything, once you get used to it, you'll get quicker.
I thought she was pretty quick. I mean, it couldn't have been more than
Thank you. I was
15
so surprised.
minutes.
That was just exciting. That was a very exciting moment to just see that milk coming out.
Yeah.
And it was like, I did this.
Yeah.
I did it. I learned how to milk, y'all. I learned how to milk. So maybe next time, or in the future, we can see how hubby does. See if we can get any milk when hubby tries. It's actually pretty easy though. I was surprised at how easy it really was, because I figured it was going to take me a long time trying to get everything right. But like I said, y'all, I have been nonstop just watching videos, trying to do all my research that I possibly could to learn before that baby was here, so I would know what to do. And I guess it paid off. So
yeah, Loretta was very patient. I mean, she was really good. I was shocked with her.
I know. Well, and that's another thing too. Like, you learn your animals. After a while. You learn their personalities and their demeanor and everything. And once she got used to being here on the farm with us, and she walks up to you, she lets you love on her, and she's just so calm. And I just figured she's the one I just felt like was going to be good for me to learn on. And she, y'all, was so patient with me, and that made all the difference in the world. And that amazing milk stand that you made for me. So that was really nice, and I really appreciate you taking the time to get that built. And I think Loretta was very comfortable in the milk stand.
And I'm sure you'll see something like maybe a spot that I need to change or something like that to make it more convenient to you or something.
Right. So, and who knows? I might come up with my own little schedule or procedure or way to milk, and find out something that might help somebody else along the way. And how I feel like maybe works best for me after I do it for a while. So
well, I was very impressed with what you did today, because I milked one time.
I'm impressed with this milk.
I milked one time when I was like 7, 8, 9, 10 years old. My mom took me to I think it was a school field trip. We went to a farm, and I got to milk a cow. Everybody got to try to milk a cow.
Oh, wow.
But
that would be fun.
Yeah.
That would be fun. I'm fixing to make me a good cup of coffee. And my arm is, y'all, my arm is shaking. So anyway, this is what happens when you just grab the phone and film. But y'all, I really appreciate y'all coming along with me today, and hubby here, so we can get that milk stand moved and ready to get Loretta milked, and actually just coming along and experiencing this moment with me. This was so exciting, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching the milkmaid as much as I enjoyed milking.
I hope y'all got half as much excitement as I did watching her do it.
Oh goodness.
So I was just very impressed.
Well, thank you. It was an exciting moment for sure. And, just learning new things here on the farm, it's always exciting. And there's so much to learn. There's so much, you think, okay, a farm or homestead, you just garden or you raise livestock. It's so much more than that. Like, we are really trying to learn as much as we possibly can to get back to our roots and how our ancestors lived. And, it's not just about milking a goat or a cow or growing a garden. I mean, there's all kinds of aspects to homesteading and trying to be more self-sufficient. I mean, making your own soap, your own laundry detergent, your own candles. I mean, it's endless, y'all. It is endless. And even handcraft, items and things like that. It's just... that's what our ancestors did. If they needed it, they either made it themselves or they traded or bartered with their neighbor. And, they
nobody will never know everything. You learn every day.
Yes.
I think that's the whole purpose. I think it's a journey, because you learn something new every day.
Yeah, I agree. So, and it's not the same old monotonous job where you go in and you have pretty much the same job every single day. Every day here on the farm is always something new. And you're always, every day, you're going to learn something new. And that's what I enjoy so much about it, because knowledge and gaining as much knowledge as possible is power. And
That's right.
we're just going to continue gaining as much knowledge as we possibly can, I guess, until my last dying breath, y'all. Because there's still so much more to learn here. So much more to learn. We hope y'all are safe out there. Y'all take care. God bless.
God bless.
Y'all come back and see us soon.